Welcome to How to Play King Albert Solitaire. To play, you will need a 52-card deck. The game is set up by creating 9 tableau piles. The first pile has 1 card in it, the second pile has 2 cards in it, and so on. All the cards are placed face up. The remaining 7 cards are placed face up at the bottom of the layout. These are reserve cards. The object of the game is to complete 4 foundation piles. Each foundation pile starts with an ace and is built up to the king for each suit. The player is able to move the top card of a pile or any card in the reserve pile to a foundation pile. Within the tableau piles, a card can move from one pile to another if the card being moved is one rank lower and a different color than the card it is being moved to. A reserve card can be moved to a tableau pile with the same rule. Only one card can be moved at a time. That means that a sequence of cards cannot be moved together. When there is an empty tableau pile, any card can be placed on it. The player will continue to make moves with the goal of getting all the cards into their foundation piles. If a player is successful in getting all the cards into their foundation piles, the game is won. If a player gets stuck with no more moves to make, the game is lost. If you enjoyed learning how to play King Albert Solitaire and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.